Hi, good morning folks, it's Gary here from Get Home Improvements, local handyman and property maintenance expert here in Aberdeen. Thanks for the quick plug there. What I'm actually here to review is the GripIt system, the world's ultimate plasterboard fixing set. I'll show you a demonstration in just 1 second. So it shows here in the GripIt system that it's an easy, just as drill, tap and turn, and the multi-pack from holds up to 71 kilos up to 113 kilos here on the end. Of course they come from various sizes and various holes. Now of course you're used to seeing all the different kinds of plasterboard fixings, from the typical roll plug, the hollow anchor, which is one of my favourites for TVs, and of course the screw. Every bit has its good points, every bit has its down points. For example, the screw, I've just done a really quick demonstration here of, if you can't find the timber or you've completely missed it, you'll see the back of it. And it probably won't hold much, unfortunately. This is the hollow wall anchor, which is absolutely fantastic. I love it for hanging TVs and all that. And that's your roll plug, which obviously, so this one was actually for hanging a radiator, tall radiator. So again, with all these ones, they've got the good points and the bad points. For example, the screws can be taken out and replaced again. The hollow wall anchors are kind of more like a single-use system, but if you want to take them out of the wall, you kind of have to wreck the wall behind it. The roll plugs are simple. They go in, they can grip, there's some which don't grip. It really depends on the system you're actually using, but again, you can reuse these again. Now with the GripIt system, it seems to me that you can actually reuse them. What I've done here is I've set up a quick demonstration. You've got a 50mm hole, an 80mm hole, a 20mm hole and a 25mm hole corresponding to the different sizes. I'll open up the pack in a second and I'll put them in and just see actually how easy they are to use. Around the other side, excuse my pad recording, as you go, pushes through. Quick turn. You can see that's through. You can see that's through this side. Quick turn of screwdriver. That's them locked into place. And then all you do is obviously use your whatever fixing you have, put it on, and that should be it. Again, we'll do this one-handed, guys, so sorry about this. So here we go. Goes up to 71 kilos. Try to put a bit of force in with a hammer. And no, it's not moving. Right, so that's them all in place. So that's up to 71 kilos again, which it says it's ideal for curtain poles and blinds. The 74 kilos, the red one, which is ideal for shelves, shower units and mirrors. Up to 93 kilos, which is ideal for radiators, bathroom units and lighting, sorry. And the last one, which is ideal for televisions, kitchen units and large shelves. That's the blue one at the back there. Now, as you can see from the back, they are all engaged there. Absolutely no problem. If you try to undo the screw, it won't undo. And if you do actually, for some reason, undo it, it won't come all the way out because it still grips there. And that's me trying to pull it out on that side. So even when the levers aren't engaged properly, it still actually holds it well. And this is another one. The advantage of having these things over is a case of once you're finished with them, again, just come out and you can reuse them again. Just patch up the hole. Obviously they do make a bigger holes in their old plugs or hollow wall anchors, but the advantage over these ones, rather than the hollow wall anchors, is they are reusable. They're not the cheapest in the block, but again, can you put a price in customer satisfaction? If you can say that this is going to hold something up to 113 kilos and you can hang from it, fantastic. Would I use them? You know what, I'll give it a shot. As I said, I absolutely love these, but getting them out the wall is an absolute pain afterwards. So if you want to move a TV from one wall to the other, again, you have to cut out a larger hole or wreck it even more. These ones are pretty good. As I said, it's quite self-explanatory. They're really easy to use. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it, folks. So again, that's my review of the GripIt system, the world's ultimate plasterboard fixing stuff from Get Home Improvements here in Aberdeen. Thanks. Bye-bye.